Alright, I got the 65 watt MARSDOCK laptop charger. This is a replacement charger for USB Type-C devices. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's check this out and see what we got in here. Now, packaged up real nice, arrived safely. You can see one of the most important features for me on here is the USB Type-C adapter on here, and it comes with a power cord that is about, I'm going to say 4 foot long. It's got plastic protecting the outside of it here to keep it in good shape while it travels. Something like this would be great for me, who travels a lot, to throw in my laptop bag as a secondary charger in the event that I ever need one. Let's plug this thing in, see if it works. Now, this thing's supposed to work with Chromebooks, ThinkPads, ThinkBooks, all kinds of items that require a Type-C input on here. So you can see I'm not charging. Let's plug this guy in. See what happens. There we go. The red light's on. Charging away at 65 watts. Now, if I wanted to list all of the items that this is compatible with, it would take me about an hour. You're going to want to go ahead and check the literature up there in this listing to make sure that this is compatible with your device. There is a ton of devices listed on there, and you can see if you can find yours in there. I'm obviously using a Chromebook here. It is on, and I can see that I am charging, and I'm at 34% and charging, so it's clearly working. I like the fact that it has a 90-degree end on here, so if I stuff this in a bag, you know, it's not going to break off from twisting around. I like that fact. Yeah, pretty cool device, lightweight, nice square block that fits in my laptop bag. I got the flat angle 90-degree coming off of here so I don't break it. Looks like I got about 4 foot of cable here and at least 4 foot of cable here. So if you're looking for an affordable charger, replacement charger, travel charger, something to carry with you, something to keep at work, I like this one. Something that's got a nice 90-degree angle on here so you don't break it off in your bag. Detachable power cable. Nice square block that fits in my bag real nice. It's affordable. And it's 65 watts. Check out the MARSDOCK 65 watt USB-C type charger. Check it out.